Follow the steps shown on the screen to create a copy of a row or several rows and insert them anywhere in the spreadsheet. I will follow these steps to make a copy of the last two rows highlighted in yellow and insert them above the row in green. First, I select rows 4 and 5. Second, I place the cursor on the selected rows and press the right button of the mouse. And from the floating menu, I select the option Copy. As you can see, the rows get highlighted with a dashed line. Third, I select row 3 because I want to insert the cut rows above the row highlighted in green. Finally, I click the right button of the mouse, and from the floating menu, I select the option Insert Copied Cells. As a result, we get a copy of the yellow cells inserted above the green row.